had been spending a couple days in Canggu but wanted to surf a little bit more, and Canggu didn't quite cut it. So I headed straight for Uluwatu, which is in the southern part of Bali, actually the southest part of the island, where some of Bali's most famous waves are, mainly Ulu Break. Besides that, there are tons of beaches and tons of surf spots and a giant statue that I wanted to see. So I got to packing. So tomorrow I'm traveling to Uluwatu, so I need to like pack my stuff. I got my backpack. Need to pack all this shit. Don't know what I'm gonna do with like half a watermelon. 1, 2 in here. Yeah, I got 1, 2 in there. Gotta get my board into the bag again. Hopefully it doesn't break this time. But of course Uluwatu is like an hour and a half away, like maximum. Let's start packing. Welcome to Uluwatu. This is my new room. I got my bed here. I got my stuff over here, my board and stuff. Got the toilet, which is also nice. Best thing is probably that this view. We got a little pool over there, bridge, and then down there is like all jungle. I think there's a river like down under the bridge. The sunrise here, and then it goes down like this. And then my room is just in there.
That street, talking nervously. Be closer, won't be long now. You made me write this song, yeah. We safe but don't know how.
I just woke up and look at this. Disgusting. I'm on my way to explore Uluwatu. I'm going to go look at some beaches. I just got my scooter. Of course I got the surf exterior here so I can surf tomorrow, like in the evening. Just gonna get some water and some stuff. See you. I think the surf spot is like all out there, far out. It's so nice. Found the secret beach up here. Crazy how beautiful it is, and it's so steep, 15 meters up. Gotta get back because the high tide is coming like in just a moment, and I'm gonna make it like through the little crevice. Yep, this is all reef. I think there is like 30 centimeters between the board and the bottom here. Uluwatu is the kind of surf spot where you either gotta stay on the board and have the best time of your life, or you keep falling and you hit the reef and you and your board gets completely destroyed. The greatest thing is that when you get out there, the tide is high, but when you have to go back after you surfed for a couple hours, the water is so shallow that you have to walk right across the reef. There's no way of going back like without walking, so either you gotta get in before the tide gets low, or you gotta just take the pain and walk on the rocks. Sorry, that's just me ranting. Enjoy the rest of the clips. Oh shit, oh, it smells like fish in here. Like if you go to the fish market, it's probably like how it smells. Probably the same thing. So bad. And now on to the next beach. Padang Beach, 10 minutes away. I went the wrong way. Okay, we are at the Tomas Beach now. I think this is one of the smaller ones. The sand and everything down here. Look at all these houses, like they're either getting like built or Smash. That is surfboard. Let's go check it out. Let's get the drone into the air. Didn't catch it, but I saw like a giant like lizard in here, laying like just around here, and it then ran up the cliffs like all the way over there. But let's head to Padang Padang Beach. See you there. And in case I didn't say it before, but this was Tomas Beach, I think it's called. One of the like 4 main beaches in Uluwatu. So now I'm heading to Padang Padang Beach, which is like a beach hidden in the cliffs. And don't mind me, this is tough. But let's get to the other beach. Like a whole cave. It's so dark in here. There you go. And now you're probably thinking, is he gonna do more drone shots? And yes, yes I am. Enjoy. Just got back from the beach, and now we gotta get some water. After being around all the beaches, I decided to go back to Uluwatu for a little surf session, but I forgot to film that, so well yeah, that's it. Enjoy. I just got back from visiting all the beaches, and now I'm going to the Guada Vishnu, which is like the biggest statue in I think in the whole of Asia. So that's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna take my bike, I'm gonna go out, and I'll be there in like 15 minutes or so. See you there. On my way to buy the ticket.
Entrance can be put upstairs, yeah?
Got it. Scan my ticket and I'm on the way. I think this statue is like 121 meters high, which is actually taller than the Statue of Liberty and taller than most statues in the world, so it should be big. It's 30 degrees and I'm feeling the heat pretty much. I think it's Vishnu, but I'm Not sure. It's not this one. It's this one here. Let's see what's in there. It's quite a big park, so if you don't want to walk, you can just take one of these. There was a sign saying that you couldn't bring your own water, but you can take it or really drink it. Almost there. Crazy, they got all these different guards. This one is like half rhino, half human. We also got to be cultural for like just a single second. I think the story about the statue is like, this is Vishnu and he's on this trip to get like the elixir of life. He's riding like this to get around to find it, and that's like an important story for the Indonesians. It's huge. Just bought the tickets to go up on the balcony, but now I gotta wait like 30 minutes to get in. I think I'm gonna go sit over there somewhere. Kill the time. Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
You can see the 9th floor and the 23rd floor later. The 9th floor, you can see the movie first, or get some photo if you want it there. Please, you can exit there. It says 2 floors. We have that another spot there. That's used for
It's like the entire statue. It's just like these steel beams. I see all the way down. I think we're on the 9th floor or something, but it is a little too cultural for me. I mean, speaking about stuff. Oh wow, didn't think my sister would be here. Too much information. I've been a little too cultural today, so I'm gonna head home, go for a little surf session. Well, as you might be able to tell, I'm not in Canggu anymore. I am another place, but I forgot to do the outro on the last video, so here it is. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for sticking to the end. Of course, if you made it this far, leave a like, and of course subscribe to my channel if you want to view my future vlogs. I don't want to say why I am yet, so you need to subscribe if you want to know that. But Uluwatu was in every way so great. The perfect spot for surfing if you're a little bit more than beginner. 100% one of the best spots in Bali to surf for sure if you are intermediate to advanced. And all the different beaches, they look great, every single one of them. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Keep reaching new heights.